Howdy homies, it is your homegirl Natalie and welcome to today's video. I thought I would be showing you guys a realistic week in my outfits of the week. Yes, I do have some plans this week that normally doesn't happen. I'm normally just at home either filming or editing, but I have some plans this week, so I was like, okay, I can show you at least a couple different outfits, we hope. So today is Monday, so I'm just going to be editing today. It's already kind of like late in the day, but I was doing a bunch of errands that I had to get done. I am filming a weekly vlog with this video, but they're gonna be two separate videos because I know just some people are like, girl, just show me the looks, show me the looks. Other people are like, well girl, let's talk, let's see what you did during the week, you know? So for today, because I am gonna go edit, I also am gonna try to go to the gym afterwards. When I have one of those days where I'm gonna edit and then gym, I just go in my gym clothes. Because I already have sweatpants, so I normally would just like throw a big sweater over and be done with it. Also, this week is unusually warm this week, and it's gonna drop in temperature next week, which is so sad, but I was like, you know what, let's make use of the week. So for today's look, thinking I definitely want to be in a sweater, but what if I dress up like those I go to Pilates girlies, you know, you wear like your little leggings, your little like high socks, but let's try to make it colorful and not just bland neutrals. I'm kidding, no shade to the neutral girlies, but like live a little, right? Anyways, let me put on some leggings. Some leggings. So I'm gonna throw a t-shirt. Is it a t-shirt underneath it? I don't know. It's one of these shirts that my mom left at my house, but they're really comfortable and I like wearing them to the gym. So also turns out I didn't have long socks to match that rainbow sweater. Other option was gonna be the chopper sweater, and I had like these pink socks, but then I was like, we're kind of going into that like basic stuff that we see all the time. So I'm like, let's just try to figure this out. And now of course you need the socks. Unfortunately, it's not the same green. I got these in Tokyo and it says, you make me smile. For someone who's a shorty and has thicker legs, this makes me look shorter. If I could have matched the sweater to the socks, it would have looked really good. But right now, what it's giving is honestly like 80s gym wear. But that's fine. My neighbor saw me wearing this outside with just like this. It's gonna be a new experience for me because I'm not someone to just be showing off my butt. You know how I feel about my butt. I don't like showing it. But I'm gonna try to just like be chill with it and just go to office work and then go to the gym and work out, and hopefully we're gonna be okay. Let's see. I am gonna try to make this look cuter by wearing pigtails. This guy thinks we're going out because I'm getting dressed. So right now he's anxious and he's panting. He's doing this thing these days where like he'll go into his crate that's upstairs, which I really like. Like I like that he's choosing to give himself some time for himself in his crate. That's really good. But what ends up happening is like he just knows if I'm going out somewhere, like if I get my camera out, start getting like dressed or something, he just like knows, okay, you know, I think she's gonna leave, so I'm gonna go inside my crate where she can't get me, so then she can't leave. I feel like that's what he does. Okay, now to do the second one. Okay, we're done. You know what else I think is gonna make the look? The headphones. It came together, right? Yeah. What if I just take out my shirt? I think this looks a little bit better. It's kind of weird because I feel like I'm yelling, but I have these headphones on, so I don't really know. Realistic Monday. See you tomorrow. Alrighty, since I'm gonna go bike riding today, I am going to bring out my purple jumpsuit just to be safe, even though I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be sweating. I'm gonna wear a Uniqlo heat tech turtleneck underneath. I also got my period today, which really sucks, but I want to do right by my son and take him bike riding. Is it bad if I wear the same socks because I don't feel like going upstairs to get new ones? Sorry if anyone's judging me, but oh well. I'm also going to put on, does this look cute? This brown? Okay, I like it. I think it looks cute. I would love to wear my brown boots, but honestly, bike riding with these boots, I would feel a little bit scared. But this would look so cute. But no, I'm a little bit scared. I mean, I just started bike riding again for the first time in like decades, around last October. I don't know, I like these better. Okay, so I have my bike riding outfit on. Actually, I'm also gonna bring a backpack. Albie, come! Albie, anja. Good boy. Look at him with his GoPro. Let's go. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey homies, welcome to Wednesday. Today I was supposed to have plans, but it got rescheduled. So instead I was just doing like some cleaning. I filmed some other stuff, but right now I'm gonna go to Daiso, and honestly I was thinking like, girl, that's the end of this video that you tried to film. Like, you're gonna have to try to film another time. But I said just try to dress up just to go to Daiso. Not like too crazy, but just, you know, something casual. So first I'm gonna put on some jeans. I threw on my favorite pair of jeans at the moment, and these are from Lover's Tide. It's a little chilly out, so I'm gonna switch out this sweater for another sweater, and I'm gonna wear this one. I think I'm gonna throw on these black boots again. Is it weird if I do this? It's either bam, this. No, I'm not vibing with this. I think I should be okay with just wearing this and maybe like a thick blazer. So, you know, this blazer that I thought I had said like, oh, it's too oversized. I don't know if I really like it. She's actually coming in handy. My hair is really greasy. I could do this, or I could do a red beret. What do y'all think? I think I should do this one. All right, instead I'm gonna wear this Newsboy cap, matching with my eco bag. Now I'm ready to go to Daiso to pick up some kitchen organizers. I hope y'all liked the look, okay? When you gotta run some errands, but you don't wanna look too like you just roll out of bed. Alright, so I'll see you guys on Thursday. Ciao! Welcome to Thursday, everyone. Today I'm gonna go for a really quick coffee date. Albie's gonna come with me. It was raining, but now the sun is coming out. I don't wanna get like super dressed up, but I wanna be comfortable, but feel cute. What am I gonna wear? Okay, hold on. So what I'm thinking is wearing these pants. I'm gonna pair it with my brown boots and the green and brown. But I'm gonna wear my Puppy's Delight sweater, and I think that's gonna look cute. I'll add on like a blazer over it, and I think that'll be good enough. I'm gonna have my Puppy's Delight sweater, so let me put it on. Cute. Let's add on the boots. Alright, I'm gonna throw on this headband. Okay. Thinking gold jewelry, right? Since we have brown tones in here. The weather is kind of weird. In the morning it was cold and it was like raining, and now it says it's cloudy, but the sun is like, bitch, I'm here. It says it's gonna be like 13. I was gonna wear my wool coat and that would go with everything, but I'm not sure now. I was gonna wear a blazer, but then it looks like really formal, and it's just supposed to be like a casual little like, hey girl kind of thing. Oh, didn't I already wear this? Didn't I already wear that? Did I already wear this, Albie? Yeah, I did. Oh, I wore it with my purple jumpsuit. I could rewear it, but you know, I'm just trying to give you guys some more ideas. Would this cardigan work? Yes, it works. Okay, I feel better now. Whew, I got my look for the day. And then I'm gonna bring what bag? Boom, we got the look, yay! So that's it for Thursday. I will see you guys tomorrow and Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. I just been editing today. I'm gonna go get my nails done in a little bit, so honestly I could just go like this. I'm gonna be sitting down for like 2 to 3 hours, but I decided let's just try to get kind of dressed at least, because again, I feel so sorry that this week I was supposed to have plans, supposed to like do stuff, look cute, but it's been like me just doing not that much, which I guess is realistic because my day-to-day I'm normally at home anyways. I want to wear something that's comfortable. I'm gonna try to wear a dress. Even though it's like warm out, it's still like kind of chilly. If you're in the sun, it's warm. If you're in the shade, it's still chilly. So I'm definitely gonna wear my coat because yesterday I didn't. And yeah, I was definitely cold. What I want to wear is this House of Sunny dress. It has like weight to it, so I think this is gonna be able to keep me a little bit warm at least. Now I'm also gonna get a mock neck to put underneath it. I wore brown throughout all my outfits. I don't know what to do with my hair. I'll put it up, claw clip it. I put on the claw clip. Gonna make sure to put on some lipstick because I keep forgetting. So all these like thumbnail pictures I took, it's only with chapped ass lips because I always forget. Anyways, here is the look to go get my nails did today, because this one it broke and she's gonna break, and I have this thing where I just keep picking at it until I actually get it fixed. So let me, you know, I gotta go do that today. All right, y'all, I will see you guys tomorrow. Ciao. Hello everyone, it is Saturday. Today I'm gonna go bike riding with Janet. I have to leave in like 5 minutes actually, but our whole day kind of was a little bit messed up. Albie's place. So yeah, we're gonna go bike riding and then we're gonna spend the rest of the day just binge watching The Glory. I'm just gonna change my jeans. It's pretty warm out. I wore this to the gym last night. I wasn't sweating like a shit ton, but what if I just threw on a sweater vest? I'm gonna change my t-shirt for a white t-shirt instead. I don't know if I'm liking this. I feel like because I have boobs, sometimes this could look kind of weird, not like as cute, but let's go for it. I'm gonna try to put a scarf headband. I feel like I need my bangs because it just looks too okay, here she is. I just go to the tried and true. Gonna just quickly put on some blush. Gonna put on some lipstick. Hey, girl's good to go. Now I'm like claw clip or headband. Maybe claw clip instead, right? All right, so I changed my socks into blue one that went with more of the outfit. I'm gonna wear these sneakers because they cute, they fun, they bright, and they aight. Here's today's bike riding look. Hello homies, yes, I don't have any pants on. Today is Sunday, the last day that we're gonna be doing this. It is gloomy out. It's not a cute day and it sucks to be ending on such a, not a cute day like this. Also today I'm gonna go to Vin Prime to film a couple thrifting challenge videos with my friend Ollie. So I need to wear something that I could easily get in and out of. So that's why I'm just wearing a button up. I'm gonna switch into these pants. These jeans. I'm gonna rock some gold jewelry, even though I really shouldn't because you're gonna be taking things on and off and it's gonna get in the way. But at least to give you kind of a completed look. I got some socks. I told my friend I would be meeting him at 1. It's already 1. Then I told him 1:30. Will I be able to make it? I'm not sure, but okay. I think I really want to redo this video because I was really hoping to wear like more fun outfits. Like, oh, I'm gonna do stuff and I have like a reason to get dressed, but I guess that's why it's a realistic week of outfits because yeah, you know, sometimes I'm not really going to a whole bunch of places. Let me put on my boots. I already wore this leather jacket. It might be good to wear. Actually, no, it's a little bit chilly out, so I shouldn't. I'm gonna wear instead just my regular little puffer. Completed look. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I really hope it's at least like 5 minutes long. I have no idea. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you guys want to see another outfits of the week video. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for liking the video. You already know your homegirl really, really appreciates it. I hope you are all blessed and not stressed. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ciao!